reviews.
It's gonna be spicy, it's gonna be fruity, it's gonna be a little bit sweet, it's gonna be acidic. And this is the Italian Harvest Calabrian chili. Italian Harvest chili, so Calabrian chili, this is from Italy. The thing I like most about this is not just gonna blow your palate out. Some of those chilies, you won't taste anything except for spice. This one actually has a taste to it, if that makes sense. I hope I'm explaining this to you, right? Like, it has a taste to it. You can cook with this, you can add it to a pasta sauce as your base to add a little bit of chili in there. Finish your dish off, add a little bit to it, and it's sure to just make it pop a little bit more. A little bit goes a long way with this. You don't have to worry about, you know, just gouging whatever your food is with a bunch of this. You can just use it, a little bit of it, and for sure taste it. If you just add it straight to the end, you're gonna taste a little bit more of that spice before the fruit. If you cook with it, that's when it becomes like really balanced out. I like to add it, you know, with a typical cream sauce, and that way I have some of the richness from the cream, and then I have the spiciness, the fruitiness, a little bit of the sweetness with whatever vegetables I might be cooking alongside of it. I would recommend this to both the home cook as well as a chef in the industry. I would say a chef in the industry because Italian Harvest, honestly, is just really, really good quality. So this is always gonna be something that's gonna provide you with that quality that your client wants. As a home cook, I would say use it because you're just gonna add a tablespoon of it or so, and it's really just gonna make everything pop.